The skies in Pokhara have started to open up. Day ray nice. Day ray ramro. There seemed to be enough warmth in the afternoon to make kimchi. It should be enough. Just maybe, I think. We can still try though. The spring onions were too strong, so I soaked and washed them. I tried salting the Napa cabbage, but it is too fibrous. So, I blanched them. Tear them cabbages up. Hashtag kimchi and chill. Hashtag kimchi with me. Should kimchi be a thing? I took a master class with Salt Bay. You guys may now call me Salt Daddy. I am making the rice slurry now. I am confident with winging the amount of ingredients used. Winging shit is the only talent I have. Like hello, what is even a recipe? What's my third greatest weakness? Good quality kitchen paper towels. These are de-seeded dried chilies. These are the ones with the seeds. I am making gochugaru. Yes, I am still winging it. Oh shit, I nearly forgot the rice slurry. Let's turn off the radio. Let's strain this shit, it is already cooked. Oh my lord, ooh la la. Damn, gochugaru be looking hot. Who's there? Sheesh. Soaked dried shrimps. Red onion. Please don't make me cry, bitch. Garlic. Magic Mike. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. I am making the Powerpuff Girls. The fermented version. I shall name them the Kimchi Girls. Oh, and an apple too. My kimchi girls will get hungry while fermenting in the sun. I am too lazy to use a chopping board. I am using the ancient grandmother's secret chopping technique. Turn the radio back on. Make a smooth homogeneous paste. Why is everything in jars? Or is it jars my luck? You. Tasty, tasty. Dump everything in and mix. Here I am, winging it again. How much of this should I put? Yes. How much gochugaru? Yes. Mixy. Say hello to my dear friend, Mr. High Blood Pressure. And his partner in crime, Mr. Volcanic Diarrhea. Damn it. Forgot the soy sauce, fish sauce and sesame oil. Ooh, Luckma would be proud of me. Oh yas boy, dis be bussin'. I am a genius. Time to pack this shit up and ghost it for 2 days in the warmth. Yas, look at this beauty. Masu and Roxy time bitches. Oof. Very nice. Thank you, like and subscribe please.